How to fix the issue with Intuit Credit Karma application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Credit Karma application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards Google Play Store or Apple Store if you are using iOS device. After that, in the search box, you need to write Intuit Credit Karma, and if you see the update option beside the application's name, do click on it and update the application. After that, now you need to head towards the setting of the application. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon and click on App Info. After that, you will be heading towards the setting of Credit Karma application. Then after, there you need to choose the option of storage. Simply click on it, and then there you will see the option of clear cache. Once you click on it, cache will be cleared for this application, as sometimes collected cache can also affect the application's performance. Now, after all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. Once you reinstall the application, try logging it with your credential details, and then you will see that the application is running smoothly. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Intuitive Credit Karma application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.